guys.
Hi guys, hand pilot crossing East Sussex, Michael's going to make go.
Hey guys, the hand pilot crossing East Sussex, Michael Harvey, there's a red train coming through, 313, and it's stopping.
I don't think it is actually.
Oh, it's not stopping. Oh.
No, it's stopping. Make sure you wave. It's going on through. Wave. Feel 3207.
313, 207.
And a 377 coming. 3 fucking bite. Feel 3207 and we're staying.
Oh.
There goes from 3207 to Brighton. Right, it departs onto Seaford.
Oh.
Michael, are you very happy for that?
Oh.
Michael's very happy.
I'm gonna pass out.
Michael's a happy man.
Oh.
And here comes a stopping service to Hastings. 377 470.
477, 470.
377 470 and 377 433. And off goes to 313. Should be going up.
And
Could be a 5 train madness. Should be going up. Oh, okay, thank God I cleaned the video.